Okay, Standard 5. Today we are going to start our third chapter, formatting and editing in Word. Okay, it's practical class. Okay, in last introduction class, I taught you about the formatting and editing in Word. What is formatting? What is editing? Now today we are going to start its practical. Okay, so first thing, it is first topic which is given in page number 28, that is copying applied format. Okay, so this we will do. This is your MS Word screen on laptop. I'm showing you. Okay, I hope you can understand through this. So this is home tab. Okay, this is home tab. You can see here all tabs are there. Okay, so in this tab there is a clipboard group. I'm taking closer. Home tab, this is your clipboard group. Okay, and this is format painter tool. Okay, so we are going to use this tool, format painter tool. Its keyboard shortcut is also given there, Control plus Shift plus O. Okay, so we are going to use this tool, format painter tool. Okay, I already created one file to show you how to copy formatting. Okay, this is a file. It is already created. So operating system, it is the first software that is loaded into computer's main memory. This text is written and it is formatted text. Okay, text, it is written in different color, in different font style, with different font sizes. Okay, so this is formatted text. Now this formatted text we have to apply on unformatted text. Now I'm showing you, this is same text I wrote here. Okay, but it is unformatted. This one, operating system, same text it is, but it is unformatted. Means no style, no colors, nothing is applied here. Okay, so one by one we will apply this formatting. Okay, from here, from this line to this line. Okay, so what we have to do first, we have to select text, press shift key and right arrow, and keep pressing right arrow. One by one all letters will be selected. So text is selected, it is highlighted in blue color, no, means it is selected. Now we will go to the format painter tool. Okay, so format painter tool, this is selected now. Now I will bring this tool to this text, operating system. Okay, so now here you can see the pointer is, it is already changed, है ना? It had taken shape of brush, है ना? Brush shape. So we will select it through this brush, through this format painter tool. You can see the same formatting which was applied here now has copied here too. Same, isn't it? One more time we can do this. First select this one. Okay, shift plus down arrow when you will click, no, press, so line will be selected. Then go to the format painter tool again, selected. Now go to the line which you want to change, where you want to apply copy. Okay, again select with brush. Okay, We're selecting with brush. Brush means this is Format Painter tool. Selecting with Format Painter tool, and you can see same color, same font style, same size, everything is copied. Okay, here you can see same thing. Okay, so this way formatting can be copied. Understood? With the help of Format Painter tool.